What up, Rally Peeps? New day here. Gonna get back on the old Mustang. I can't take it anymore. I gotta get in it. I gotta clean it out, see what we got. Yeah, I'm kind of just interested to see what the floor looks like. Get into it a little bit more. Get the inside cleaned out so it doesn't smell like raccoon poop no more. Pretty funny. So Jackson named it Rocket after the raccoon from Guardians of the Galaxy because of all the raccoon shit in it. So this is now Rocket, the Mustang. Let's take a look inside here. Looks like some bumpers. Drive shaft. There's a door in there. It's got some good glass. Seats. Sill plates there. They're kind of rough. I don't know. Let's pull all this crap out and see what we got. She stanky. Don't look too bad up underneath there. I'm gonna rip all that carpet out of there. I don't know. See what's underneath of it. Probably get the power washer back out. Vacuum this all out. Peekaboo! Look at all the raccoon poop. Yeah. Yep, just need to get this out of here so we can start getting rid of the smell badly. A little bit more to trash out there. Looks like everything's pretty much here though. Like, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. At least we got all the seats. I don't even know what half these parts are, I guess. I don't know if that's like front balance or rear or something, because it don't look like the front one that's on here. So I'm not sure. Bottom seat, top of the seat. Quite a few different sill plates, I believe, that are supposed to run right there. So, looks like another glove box door, quite a few bumpers, drive shaft. There is our quarter window, I believe, and there's a whole other door so I can get the glass out of that for the passenger door over there. The original air cleaner and valve covers off the 289 engine mounts. I don't know what we got going on there. Looks like a clutch pedal possibly. A couple different lights. Dang it, I didn't notice that steering wheel, the horn was broken. Dang it. I was pumped because that was in there, but no worries, no biggie. Sure the boy won't mind. So yeah, I'm gonna get to vacuuming this up. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Vacuum it up and then maybe blow out the trunk with the power washer, or I don't know, I might blow out the whole inside with the power washer. That is, whew, it's horrid. I'm glad this don't have no smell-o-vision. Alright, we be back. You're not, look what I found. Hold on, let me swap you around. Yeah. Yummy. Well, I guess we know where most of the smell's coming from, because that's, oh, I don't know, what is that, probably a possum maybe? Raccoon? I don't think it's a raccoon. I don't know. I think I have a raccoon head over here that came out of the tree house. So, yeah, well, awesome. Well, hopefully I get that out and get that cleaned up and sprayed down real good. We'll get some of that smell out of there, but yeah, barn finds, love them. All right, back to it. Man, I don't know if it's improving or getting worse. Looks like getting worse to me. What I thought was a pretty solid floor is not. It is kind of in the center. Ugh. Man. This thing reeks badly. Badly. Yeah, I'm gonna get that carpet cut out of there and get that up. Might take these side panels off. And then I think I'm gonna power wash the inside of this, because it is nasty. Yep, it is nasty. Alright, stay tuned, more work to come. We got skeletons, we got poop. Man. Back to it. Get a little tree on my mirror here. Yeah. Now it's official. Got that black ice. What you know about that? Well, here we are. Cleaned up pretty good. Once the poop is out. We got that low rider status. Definitely gonna need probably a whole new floor in the trunk. Probably swap out that gas tank for a new one, because they're not too awful expensive. Got the floor. Yep, I did power wash it too. It is so nasty. Floor's not real super bad, just in some key spots, you know. Right there, got air conditioning. Air conditioning over there. But all in all, it really isn't too bad. I still need to get those side panels off. We need to replace this window. And I need to replace this window, which hopefully will come out of that door. So we'll take this door apart first. I don't know why it looks different, but we'll take that door apart first. Try to get the window out. I think that's our side glass. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I ordered all new locks for the trunk, new key cylinder, new locks for the doors. That'll be our first install. So we'll have some keys. We'll have some keys to walk around with. But this is definitely going to be a little longer than I thought as far as the process. That's pretty junk. Probably going to end up putting a whole floor in it, I would assume. Front to back. But we'll see. Got a couple buddies willing to help out, so we'll see what they have to say about it, because they definitely know more about that type of work than me. That's for sure. I don't know what that is, some body caulk or something, but I don't think caulk is going to hold that. Maybe caulk will hold that leaf spring in. Yeah, it looks like they've repaired that already too, once. Probably because, I don't know, the wreck. So yeah, I don't know what we got, like, I don't know, two of the same bumpers. I think that's a rear bumper. So we got a couple things that we can use. None of that's really great, but of course the seats will be awesome. We can get those recovered, and we can definitely use those. But that was the main thing for today. That's kind of what I wanted to get done with Jackson yesterday, but his buddy was leaving for the summer, and he wanted to hang out with him for the night. So I think that's about as far as we'll go for now, besides the windows. I'll probably continue this video with replacing the windows out. And then we also have a rear brake here that's stuck. So we'll have to get that off and get that figured out so we can get it rolling around and moved out of the way so we can continue on the garage cleanup. Because of course I put this right in the way of us cleaning up this pile of crap. But done spent my trash can money on cars, so I'm gonna have to wait another couple weeks before I can get a can out here to get this cleaned up. Hopefully I can get it cleaned up before the rally on the 12th of August, but who knows. My focus is all on this thing now. Dang it, why do I do that? So stay tuned, try to get these windows out, get the new ones put in. Yeah, so quite a few bolts. Bolts don't look too bad back in there. So I'll pause you real quick, see if I can undo some of these bolts and see what I gotta do to get this thing out. Cool, that window just slid right out of that bracket, so I'm gonna try and get that other one out of there and see if maybe we can just swap the window. Slide one out, slide the new one in. That'd be dope. Alright, now that I'm a YouTube professional and I watched all the videos, I just gotta take all these bolts out here and slide it all apart. And not let it drop all down. Yep. Alright, yeah, so we'll be right back with that. Alright, bye, see ya. Alright, got her cleaned up, the hardware switch. They're like a couple stops or something. I don't really know what they're for. So yeah, she's ready to go back in. New glass, baby. So I'll set you up and we'll go on the installation. Don't fall. Hey! Ha! Knocked it out. Got both windows replaced. But this door handle's all messed up for some reason. I don't know. I didn't really check it out. I don't know if it's seized up or what the heck's going on, but so yeah, now I can't open it. Now I need to tear that side apart. Need to tear that apart and figure out what's going on with that window, why it doesn't roll up and down. Probably just come off the track or something. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video, man. We're getting to about the end of what I can do until we gotta kind of put her off to the side or figure out what we're gonna do with the chassis. Try and get Bobby over here tomorrow and take a gander to see what kind of price we're talking about to fix this bad boy up. Super pumped though. That's better. Almost got all the windows in it now. And the smell out of it pretty much, because I got that all pretty cleaned up. So pumped about it. Floor's not too awful bad. It's just a little past my skill level about repair. But yep, nasty. We'll wash the rest of these windows. Get that one working right. Alright, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed this part 2 to my son's first barn find car. First car, period. We're going to just keep on easing at it real slow. So it might be a minute before you see a next video. Who knows? Like I say, we got to unstick that brake back there. So we'll probably do a video on that. Alright, y'all have a good night. Oh, boss is coming in to check it out. What do you think, boss? Oh, gotta stop for a lick real quick. Alright, y'all have a good night. Rally on.